Akshat Jain.
And I am Vaibhav Maheshwari.
Vaibhav, kindly introduce yourself a little more.
मेरा नाम वैभव माहेश्वरी है एंड बेसिकली मैं चित्तौड़गढ़ राजस्थान से आता हूँ एंड चित्तौड़गढ़ इज नोन फॉर इट्स फोर्ट एंड इट्स वॉरियर्स. आपने अगर महाराणा प्रताप जी का नाम सुना हुआ है तो आई कम फ्रॉम दैट सिटी एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम एकेडमिक्स मैं स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत इन्वॉल्व रहता हूँ. आई एम ए स्टेट लेवल फुटबॉल प्लेयर, आई एम ए स्टेट लेवल क्रिकेट प्लेयर. मैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट रनर रह चुका हूँ टेबल टेनिस में. एंड अबाउट माई स्ट्रेंथ्स आई एम वेरी रिलायबल, आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल, आई एम पंचुअल and I have a growth mindset as well. अगर मतलब
Show me a situation where you represented your growth mindset.
अगर आपको थोड़ी सी शेयर मार्केट के बारे में नॉलेज है तो अभी बुल रन चला था बेसिकली में, तो उस टाइम मैंने काफ़ी अच्छे मोमेंट्स कैप्चर किए थे. तो दैट वाज माय स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट इन द शेयर मार्केट, इन द ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म. तो उसके बाद से मेरे को और थोड़ी चाहत हुई कि चलो अभी इसमें कर सकते हैं. अगर ग्रोथ में हुआ है, मतलब अगर बुल रन में हुआ है तो मैं नॉर्मल में भी कर सकता हूँ और मैंने उसमें भी किया है.
What was your name? Akshay, tell me something which is not written on your resume. Never, you tell me something which is not written on your resume.
मुझे वड़ा पाव बहुत पसंद है, उसमें नहीं लिखा हुआ.
Okay, so Akshat, what are your tech sticks? Can you like explain? Tech sticks, like your abilities, skill set.
So I am currently learning language C++. I have interest in competitive coding. I am solving problems on lead code and trying to build logic and thinking process. I am also interested in chess. I like to play chess and watch also.
Vaibhav, what's yours?
Currently I am doing in DS in C++ and I think I am pretty good in DSA. Like if I get a problem, I might not solve the problem completely, but कर सकता हूँ मैं उसको. I can, like, not a best approach, but I can give an approach.
Apart from DSA, what other abilities do you have about like technology? What do you understand as how technology works? Can you explain it to me in very simple terms?
Technology works how we want to use it. Destructive भी हो सकता है, constructive भी हो सकता है.
Let me correct my statement. How does an application or a website or anything that has a software written in it, how does it work?
सबसे पहले उसका फ्रंट एंड होता है. फ्रंट एंड में हम जो भी वो मांग रहा है, लाइक इफ यू आर फिलिंग अ फॉर्म, तो उसमें तुम्हें बेसिक्स अपने जो भी वो मांग रहा है, नेम, रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर, XYZ जो भी मांग रहा है, उसमें तुम्हें फिल करना पड़ेगा. वो सारा डेटा एक बैक एंड में स्टोर होगा और फिर वहाँ से वो प्रोसेस होगा.
Can Akshat share some insights about what he knows about technology?
So technology means something which helps people or makes some work easier for people. So I think like we are reading news from newspaper, but we want to read some news of some different topic, so we can search it on Google.
Do you have problem solving skills in yourself? Can you state that you have problem solving skills?
I does problem solving, but I'm in intermediate level. I'm not a skilled level.
What about Vaibhav?
I would also say I'm an intermediate. I'm not that expert level key, but I can try and I can provide an approach.
Okay. What are your future goals regarding the tech stack that you are going to pick up next in your career? Is it going to be getting into a competitive coding grounds? Is it going to be getting into a full stack job, or is it going to be about getting into data science? What is what particular domain are you looking for?
I'm not looking for any particular domain. I'm I'm just focused on my problem solving skills in DSA, and through that I want to like clear my technical round, and I am flexible in any job. Like in the internship period, I am flexible in any job.
What are the roles are you targeting at our company? Is it purely technical or is it mix of managerial also?
So I'm focusing for technical more because technical is my expertise. I am expert in technical.
Say if I don't have any openings in technical role right now, and if I give you a managerial role as of now, and I say that you might be shifted into technical role, would you be willing to join my organization?
I will join, but as long as it satisfies me, or
You said you will join, but won't it hamper your technical preparation, the 2-year duration? Will you not lose touch with the technical part?
no, I will always be touched with technical part. I will try to improve my technical part, but also try to focus on the role that is provided me.
If you will be focusing on the technical part, how will you give time to the managerial part?
I will focus on both and try to do my best.
Hey Vaibhav, you said that you are willing to do something in trading, like you did something. So, do you want to create any app or any software that would be related to trading or stock market in any point at any point?
I would love to like get a role in that XYZ company, but I don't want to create anything because there are many software, many applications already, and which is very user friendly and their interface is very good. So like I don't want to create.
Okay, so our company is basically of this standard only. Like we create apps for the clients for the trading. So, what different thing you can provide to our company?
एक इसमें चीज होती है GTD, एंड इफ अगर बहुत सारे ऐप्स में GTD ऑर्डर्स नहीं होते, GTD ऑर्डर्स बेसिकली भी होते कि हम उसको 365 डेज तक भी लगा के रख सकते हैं और इट्सेल्फ इंट्राडे के लिए भी कर सकते हैं। तो बहुत सारे ऐप्स में नहीं होता है, बहुत सारे उसमें नहीं होती है इंटरफेसेस में। तो आई वुड लाइक टू लाइक ऐड दैट इन GTD, एंड बहुत सारे ऐप्स का यूजर फ्रेंडली भी नहीं है। बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है, मैंने अगर पोजिशनल ट्रेडिंग चीज़ होती है, अगर बहुत सारी चीज़ में नहीं होती अवेलेबल, तो वो मैं करना चाहूँगा।
You just said that you would not like to work as a developer or a software engineer when trading algo is being built. Our company works with clients that gives us any random projects to work with. How would you cope up with that? How would you get into a team of developers where they are all proficient in their work and you are the beginner? How would you provide value to them?
I'm sorry, sir, if you misunderstood my answer, but I said I don't want to create it. I'm open to working with the people there. I'm open to like that thing कि हाँ मैं उसमें काम कर लूँगा। And as you asked कि कैसे करोगे तुम, कैसे उनके साथ करोगे, तो obviously मेरे seniors होंगे वो, I'll learn from them. कोई मेरे को चीज़ नहीं आएगी तो मैं उनसे पूछ लूँगा कि सर ये कैसे होता है। Like I'm very open-minded person. अगर कोई मेरी गलती बताएगा तो I won't take it कि इसने मेरी गलती बता दी. I'll rather learn from it.
Akshat, what are your points of view about that?
I think the role that is provided to me, I will try to do the best that that's the best for organization.
not with the job, not with anything, not with this, just what you want to do.
So, my framework, let's say, I want to do a technical job which tests my technical limits also, but in future a lot of problems will come, but I will always try to overcome them and learn a lesson from them.
Okay, all right, everyone. Very well. चलो, बहुत बढ़िया. अच्छे क्वेश्चंस पूछे, अच्छे तरीके से आंसर भी दिया. हाँ? रोल रिवर्स करते हैं? कुछ पूछना चाहोगे? चलो.
My name is Ayush and I am a kind of a researcher in AI/ML. I want to research things. I want to do open source projects and make good things for the society in the AI/ML field.
I would like to ask Ayush, like you said, you are an AI. I'm sorry,
AI/ML.
you are an AI/ML researcher.
Yeah.
So basically, there are 7 stages of AI. Can you name all of the 7? And do you know about the 7 stages?
No, I don't know about it.
What is your name and introduce yourself?
My name is Anshika. I am currently a third year undergraduate student at the university. My interests are more in the managerial and product domain.
Have you any work experience in?
I am the general coordinator of the incubation cell of our university, and as for the practical work experience, I don't have any practical work experience in the product domain, but I have had 2 certifications courses in the product domain. Those were from NPTEL.
My name is Raj and I'm from Surat, the Diamond City of India, and I'm a third year student from JCS University. Currently, I pursue as a full stack developer. I am proficient in merge stack development and I have created multiple projects as well for multiple clients. I have worked as a freelance developer as well, and I'm looking forward for working with big corporations as well as big communities where I can create more value for the human, like for softwares that help humans save time and improve their productivity.
As you said, you were a technical guy. You have done a lot of technical things. I am hiring for technology. Define technology. What is technology?
Sure. Anything that is complex and could be solved in very less time, that could be done with a tool, right? What tool exactly are we defining here? It is technology. Technology is a very vast field that you could not explain in just one sentence, but I would say that it is something that will, it is a tool that will help you solve problems in a much more efficient way.
तो आपने एक वर्ड इंट्रोड्यूस किया था विद सोसाइटी. आप सोसाइटी के लिए आपके कुछ प्लान्स हैं?
Yep. My major plans contribute to the mathematical. Like mostly with the writing of the mathematics, we don't understand the things, but with the visuals, we can understand it greatly. With the example and the inspiration from 3Blue1Round YouTube channel, I'm trying to make a wrapper around the library, the Messi library, made by the 3Blue1Round. I don't remember remember the name directly, and I think it's dead also. And I want to create that wrapper so that if we give any input to the library or any function of the software, it would directly create the transition of the functions.
तो आप अपनी कुछ ग्रेटेड वीकनेस क्यों रखना चाहिए? आपकी क्या है सबसे बड़ी?
My greatest weakness is of the learnaholic thing. Like I am a learnaholic. I can spend days and nights learning things, different things that might or not be used, but I will be learning.
Academics के अलावा कुछ?
Apart from the academics, or the general academics like the university academics or my work academics.
यूनिवर्सिटी academics.
University academics, I have been doing freelancing with the clients of USA, South Africa, Cape Town, and Poland, France, France, and I have been working with companies like Subble and Data.
Would you like to tell me about your hobby? Like, tell me about your hobby.
My major hobby is listening to music.
What type of music do you listen to?
Mainly about the English idioms and Hindi romantic songs.
Like old school or like Gen Z music?
Mostly Gen Z.
What are your hobbies?
I really like to cook. Cooking is one of my pastimes.
Do you cook daily or it's just in?
Yeah, regularly. Regularly, whenever I feel like there's some pressure, I need to freshen up my mood, I do cook.
So would you like to be a chef? Like go for it or?
Cooking is one of my hobbies, and I like to do it as my pastime whenever I need to freshen up my mind.
Do you have any other interest?
I have interests in market research as well as in like creating algos for trading.
Do you play any sports?
Yeah, I am a fitness enthusiast as well, particularly running. I am a 10K marathon runner as well. I completed it in under 60 minutes 2 times.
You said you are a trader as well. So like
I would like to correct myself, not exactly trader, but I like to create algos for trading.
do you trade?
I do not trade, I observe. I do market research. I currently don't have the capital to create, to do the trades.
Like can you tell me what is the all-time high of Bank Nifty, Nifty, Sensex?
Recently, Bank Nifty touched 49,400 and Nifty 50, 22,600 I guess, yeah.
Name 10 companies of Nifty 50.
10 companies. Reliance.
I want top 10 companies of Nifty 50.
Sure.
According to their weightage.
Weightage. I would like to start with Reliance that holds around 19% of the current market. And after that, there is HDFC Bank, then there's ICICI Bank, then there's L&T, there's TCS, Tata Motors, Infosys, as well as ITC. There's Sun Pharma, Tata Chemicals as well.
I would like to ask one more question to you. Recently, if you know, Kotak Mahindra Bank showed a drastic fall. So can you tell me why was it?
As RBI found that Kotak Mahindra was not keeping up with its tech specs, as its customers were increasing, it needed more secure and more reliable software, and they had not upgraded it for that time. Thus, RBI asked them to not accept any more new customers to their software, the banking services, and thus they showed a big fall in that.
I would like to ask your greatest strength. Like that would be helpful for any organization and for you as well.
My greatest strength is able to solve things that most of the people think that it is impossible.
Have you solved anything that most of the people think it is
Yes.
impossible?
Mainly, if we see in the AI/ML field, the major thing is the matrix multiplication, which takes around on the average scale 9 cube. And with the Stressen's algorithm, we can take it to n log 7, which is n squared, n to the power 2.307 something. But with my research, I am able to take it to n.
So give me one point how you are different from these two people.
Mainly, I don't know his name. Yes, Braj. So Braj is actually in the field of trading and development, and Anshika is more of a manager and HR person. But I find myself as a research and data person.
आयुष, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप और क्वालिफाइड हो इस पोजीशन के लिए?
I think the position is not defined.
पोजीशन डिफाइंड है, आप इंटरव्यू देने आए हो, पता नहीं। आपका काम किस तरफ है? डेटा एनालिस्ट की तरफ या डेवलपर की तरफ? आप ये बताइए। डेटा एनालिस्ट की तरफ। आपकी जो नॉलेज है काफी क्रिस्प और क्लियर है, तो इस हिसाब से आप हमें ओवर क्वालिफाइड लग रहे हैं। तो आप ये बताइए कि आप कैसे करेंगे?
Can you like say the description?
आप कैसे फिट हो सकते हैं इस पोजीशन में, कैसे काम कर सकते हैं? आप एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर पाएंगे?
As I'm overqualified, I can directly add things to the company's profile. I can make things much more easier for the company to do. With the clients that are expected to do things in 1 week or 1 month, I can do that in around 5 to 7 days.
Next point.
And you said you are a problem solver. So I would like to ask you one question. Suppose we have two tanks. One is of 5 liter and one is of 3 liters. And I have infinite capacity of water. Then
Infinite capacity or infinite supply?
infinite supply of water. So would you like to? You have to take only 4 liters. So how will you do it?
Okay, so first I will take like 1 liter from the 5 liter tank.
There are no markings on the tankers. It's only like 5 liters and it's only 3 liters. We will get to know when they are full. Like if 3 liter is full, we know it is 3 liters. And when 5 liter is full, we know 5 liter is full.
We can directly actually connect the tanks with.
We are not. We are not like. We can't connect the tanks. There are two separate tanks. 5 liter, 3 liter. You have to get me 4 liters.
Can I take a bigger tank?
You can't. There is infinite supply of water. 5 liter tank, 3 liter, both are empty tanks, and there are no markings on it. You have to give me 4 liters of water.
I can't think of a solution at the instant, but I think if given time, I will be able to figure it out.
अब मैं आप तीनों को एक क्वेश्चन देना चाहता हूँ। पार्टली स्पीकर के बारे में पता आपको? आपके लॉजिक्स टेस्ट करने के लिए क्वेश्चन है। एक बीकर ले लीजिए। 11:59 पे एक वायरस आपने उसके अंदर डाला और वो
Sorry, a beaker.
हाँ बीकर।
Beaker.
तो आपने वायरस उसके अंदर डाला और वो हर मिनट डबल हो रहा है। और 11:59 पे हमने देखा कि वो बीकर आधा भर चुका है। तो आप तीनों में से कौन बताएगा कि वो टाइम क्या होगा जब वो बीकर पूरा भर चुका होगा?
उसका रेट क्या था मल्टीप्लिकेशन का इनिशियली जब डाला था?
जब आपने इनिशियली डाला तो वो उसके अंदर वायरस है। हमने देखा कि 11:59 पे वो आधा भर चुका है। अब वो टाइम बताइए आप मुझे जब वो पूरा भर चुका हुआ। हमें एक चीज पता है कि वायरस डबल होता है हर मिनट।
जब बीकर में कोई भी वायरस नहीं था तब टाइम क्या था?
वो टाइम आप उसको ले लीजिए। मैंने आपको मिड टाइम बताया आपको, अब उसके हिसाब से आंसर देना है।
Next minute was डबल हो रहा है तो ऑफ भरा हुआ है तो डबल हो जाएगा, नेक्स्ट मिनट बन जाएगा।
एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। Can you explain?
अगर हमें पता है कि हाफ की तरफ फिल है एंड द स्टेटमेंट वाज कि हर मिनट मल्टीप्लाई होता है, डबल होता है, तो अगर हाफ है द नेक्स्ट मिनट इट विल कंप्लीटली बिकम फुल, राइट? अगर 2x करूंगा तो इन 1 मिनट इट विल बी फुल, राइट? तो अगर मुझे पता है, जानना ही जरूरत नहीं है कोई और स्टेटमेंट्स का, अगर हाफ फिल है तो डबल होगा 1 मिनट में, राइट? पूरा वर्ड फुल।
हाँ जी, पहले इनसे पूछ लेते हैं ना जी, हाउ वाज इट? जवाब देने में ज्यादा मजा आया या सवाल पूछने में?
दोनों ही मजा आया।
ये एचआर बड़ा सालिम है भाई, इसने ना अंदर जाके प्रॉपर डिटेल में तो बेचारे को इतना काउंटर क्वेश्चन करे, बट वेरी वेल द वे यू हैंडल्ड इट, वेरी वेल। सही तरीके से आपने क्वेश्चनिंग भी करी थी एंड सही तरीके से आपने आंसर्स भी दिए। सो एवरीवन, हाँ जी, सुना आप लोगों ने? That was the situation. I really wanted you to analyze it, you know, first hand, जिसको बोलते हैं, यहाँ बैठ के कि actually में जब हम questions पूछते हैं, अभी questions पूछने का idea नहीं होता ना, थोड़ी देर में हम questions पूछते पूछते ही blank हो जाते हैं, तो इसलिए मैंने बोला कि आराम से पूछ लो, take your time, and जिस तरीके से हम आंसर्स देते हैं हमें पता होगा exactly कि थोड़ी देर पहले हमने यही सेम चीज पूछी थी, पूरा रिवेंज ले रहा था, सिंपल से क्वेश्चन आ रहे थे हम बैक टू बैक वापस, बट जिस तरीके से आंसर्स आए वेरी वेल। आपको पता है ये पूरा प्रोसेस कितना देर चल गया? एग्जैक्टली अप्रोक्सीमेटली अराउंड 20-25 मिनट्स ये पूरा प्रोसेस चला, जिसमें ऑलमोस्ट हर तरीके के क्वेश्चंस आए, टेक, नॉन टेक, पर्सनल, हर तरीके के क्वेश्चंस दिए गए, लॉजिकल, एंड इट वाज रियली गुड। कॉन्फिडेंटली आंसर दिया, चिल हो जाओ। इंटरव्यू देते समय रिलैक्स नहीं ले रहा था, इंटरव्यू ले रहे हो, पैर के ऊपर पैर रख के आराम से बैठो, डोंट वरी, है ना? सो एवरीवन, एक जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए।